Hello everyone, welcome to the quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can download and install Google Meets on Windows 11. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to download and install Google Meets in Windows 11, first of all you just need to open Chrome to download Google Meets and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. As you're watching, Google Meets is successfully installed in our PC. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Just don't forget to subscribe and also like the video. Thank you for watching.